trying to find Mopang Waterfall. Can't find it. Google's took me to one destination, but it says I'm 3 minutes away. I'm going to try another one. But these are the views with all the smog. It's not very nice. When you get back to your hotel, all your clothes smell of smoke. Well, I made it to Mopang Waterfall. Let's see what it's like here. £100 for a ticket. The first waterfall I've had to pay to actually go and see. But it's all good. £2.50 that was. Thank you. At least they made it easy access to get to. Oh, it looks nice. This was the one the guy was telling me about yesterday, how you can slide down it. It's like a slide. I think this is the first waterfall I'm actually going down to and have to make my way back up. Normally it's the opposite way around. I've got to travel up to it. Oh, it's a nice waterfall. Definitely busy up here. The water doesn't look that clean, unlike some of the ones I've been in previously. Yeah, it looks a bit dirtyish actually. It's nice they got good steps everywhere. Definitely made it easy access. Definitely easy access for people to get to, not strenuous whatsoever. All the step-ins to get you up. The slide. I wonder whether there's a walk up. Oh, I guess there is a walk up to the top part of it. Maybe you can walk up to the top part of it as well. Oh, it looks crystal clear now. I didn't come prepared to go in the water. Otherwise I'd probably venture in there. Maybe I should do, I don't know. I know this is quite, oh, slippery. I was thinking that little bit there, just that little top part was quite shallow, and I put my foot in it and wet a bit of my trainers. Guess it used to come from here as well. Probably rainy season. Or maybe it's man-made with all this piping, or they're taking water from it, one out the two. Not quite sure. Well, you can see a little bit trickling down, trying to get through. I think probably because it's rainy season, I mean summer season. Just asked me to film him with his family sliding down. Very slippery, that's for sure. Oh, it is cold. I would say it's refreshing. Whoa! Oh, now that is refreshing.
Yeah. You can take off and hit your rod in the water.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine.
That and this don't and this the center.
The center?
Yeah, the center.
You go for it and I'll watch her. Oh bloody hell. I hope I don't have no accident here. Well, here goes nothing. I'm slipping just well, here goes nothing. Well, I thought I lost the camera there. No, I wouldn't have lost it because it's only in this bit here. It ain't travelling nowhere else. But that was alright. That was pretty good. Yeah, that was pretty good.
And you climb down. And you can down.
And that's what's down there. Well, that was nice. I tell you, anyone doing it who watches the video and they're here, keep your feet up because my foot touched the floor. One foot actually banged on the floor and I can feel it. I know there's nothing damaged in it and I know I'll be able to walk on it fine, but I felt the bump on my the bottom of my foot. I'll see when I get out whether I've got a bruise on it or not. This is the rope up.
Yeah, you might need to get it anymore. It's really bad now.
Sorry, mate.
Lucky you found that.
Well, I thought it had to, I thought that's what I said when I was on the camera. Yeah. It's got to be in there, so I would have found it. It couldn't have went nowhere else other than that spot.
I mean, it could have gone, maybe not.
No, I don't think it's flowing hard enough for that, but yeah, that was very lucky. Ugh. She's a bit scared to make her way down. Still debating it. I'm not going nowhere, look. Whoa! That was great. Good fun.